Well, today's recipe is for all you protein lovers and all the ones across the globe who are looking at watching their weights. Today's salad, a high protein salad. Let's begin with cottage cheese in a bowl. 100 grams of cottage cheese is almost equal to 18-20 grams of protein. 100 grams of peanuts, which is almost equal to 28 grams of protein. 100 grams of mixed sprouts, which is roughly around 24 to 34 grams of protein. Let's build into the profile of this salad with some leafy greens, in this case, spring greens. You can dice these nice and fine, like so. Now the choice in this case is completely yours. Now in this case, I'm going to use a little longer cut spring greens. Let's move on to bell peppers. Well, not that high in protein at all, but nevertheless adds in that wonderful profile of color. Let's cut these slight different way. Technically, these could be called paisans. Now, while I like using these raw in my salad, you can of course by all means also quickly saute or make a complete warm salad just similarly. Moving on to red bell peppers, moving on to carrots, some cucumber, of course, washed and peeled, tomatoes, again thick slices, some green chilies to spike this whole thing up. Well, just cut this like so to ensure that this could also be picked and discarded for the ones who do not appreciate as much heat. Let's add this in. Let's squeeze in some fresh lime with a touch of red chili powder, raw mango powder, or amchur, kind of accentuate the entire flavor of lemons, freshly ground roasted cumin, salt as required. Finally, a quick few tosses and a high protein salad is done and ready. With this, a high protein salad is literally done and ready. In my personal opinion, you can add in some more tofu if you like, because of course it's extremely high protein. You can add in some blanched broccoli if you please. Vegetables can be a personal call, a personal choice. This is my choice, my way, my style. Tossing is done and ready. Let's quickly serve. With this, ladies and gentlemen, a high protein salad is done and ready. Lots of cottage cheese, of course, lots of vegetables, lots of pulses, lots of love, some lemon juice, some chili. What else do you need? A wonderful, tangy, spicy salad for all the Weight Watchers. Bye.